Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Capcut templates not showing. So let's start. Now first, make sure that you have internet connection. It can be a possible reason that your Capcut is not working well. But if you have internet access, let's go and exit the app. And we are going to your mobile phone settings. Then scroll down and look for General. Inside General Settings, look for Language and Region. Now here under Region, make sure to select the exact location that you are residing. After that, go back to General Settings and tap on VPN Device Management to make sure that you are not using VPN because it will may change the device location and affect your CapCut app. So now let's go back and open the CapCut app. And now all you have to do is to make sure that you are logged in, and after that you are good to go. So that is how to fix the CapCut template that are not working. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.